Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to create a Telegram bot, and in the further videos we'll see how to connect it with Python and send messages through it, videos or images too. Okay, let's start. Just go to the bot father over here. If I'll search bot father, this is the tick mark at the rate bot father. You'll have to go there and you have to hit start. It says start. In here you will see an option of new bots and my bots. In my bots you can see that you have already created some bots, and in a new bot you can create a bot for you. So it will ask you for a new bot. For what do you want to call it? Let's say a test bot. Let's say a test bot. This is my test bot. Now it is asking me to name it as a username, and the username must end with the bot. So I'll say test underscore 123 underscore bot. It says username has already been taken. Let's say test 12311 underscore bot. Okay. What? Okay. Test 11 bot. I guess this one is not taken. Yep. Now it will give me my access token for the bot. I'll just copy it up over here. Control C, and I'll save it. So this is my access token. This is one thing that will help me use and access the bot for me. This is how you access the bot. Somehow I have also created one of my bots that takes an image, it creates a video with that image. Like it will ask you how to create a video, and it creates the videos, a slideshow of the images like this somehow, and the images goes like this. So I guess this is it.